Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Here to win. I'm truly happy to say that I'm really proud to have our HGW HQ, and this will never happen without my wonderful team building this with me.
Congratulations to Adrian Co Division on your new office space. Over the past year, I've witnessed the exponential growth of this young team, and it is all because of the proven structure and framework. I believe with a new office, the team will continue to grow even closer and scale greater heights together as one Adrian Co Division.
In a short span of 2 years, we have been promoted 7 times, and our team have grown strength to strength, supporting one another with this sharing culture. Be it are they new or experienced realtor, they can easily blend into our division with the activities and programs to help them to spur their sales. All of you are truly here to win.